Hi, guys. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. If you're an agency or freelancer looking for an advanced web design platform to create excellent websites, try Wix Studio. Here's how you can switch from the classic editor to Wix Studio. But hold on. Here's an important heads up. Your existing sites will not be migrated to the Studio editor when you switch over. The websites you've created with the Classic editor will only be editable in the Wix Classic editor. So before making the switch, make sure that everything's all ready and prepared. That's a very important thing to keep in mind. Once that's taken care of, here's how you can safely switch to Wix Studio. Go to wix.com/studio and click on Start Creating. Click on Try Wix Studio. Here, select how you'd like to start. You can set up a site, design a site, generate a site structure with AI, or set up your workspace. Feel free to choose an option, but for this video, we're going to set up our workspace first. Here, enter your workspace name. Next, indicate how many people work with you, and then indicate your role. Once everything's all good, click on Create Workspace. Here, if you're an agency, you can invite your teammates before you see your workspace. If not, you can take care of that later by clicking here. And this is your workspace. This will be the central hub for all of your agency's websites and processes. And that's it. That's how you switch from the classic editor to the new one. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.